Welcome back. In this video, we'll tackle question 51. How to find the monthly sales trend for each product category and identify seasonal patterns. We will use two tables. The products table contains product information, product number, part number, SKU description, category, and price. The orders table records sales, customer number, product number, part number, shipped quantity, and order date. Our goal is to calculate the monthly sales percentage for each category, so that we can see how sales vary throughout the year. Here's the expected result. Each row represents a product category. The columns from January to December show the percentage contribution of that month's sales to the total yearly sales for the category. Now let's see the solutions in SQL Server Management Studio. Step 1. Building the CT. We begin with a common table expression, or CT. Here, we join the orders table with the products table, so we can bring in the category and price for each order. We also extract the month from the order date. After first step, we will get detailed row-level dataset with customer number, product details, shipped quantity, category and price from products. Step 2. Calculating monthly sales. Next, we calculate the monthly sales for each category in month. We do this by multiplying the shipped quantity by the price, and summing it up. We allow no one row per category month with total monthly sales dollars after this step. Step 3. Finding total sales per category. Then, we calculate the total sales per category across all months. This enables us to find one row per category with total annual sales dollars. Step 4. Calculating monthly percentages. Now we divide each month's sales by the total sales for that category, and multiply by 100 to get the percentage. This step will reveal monthly sales amount, as well as monthly percentage of total annual sales. Step 5. Pivoting the data. In this step, we'll reshape rows into columns, and each month becomes a column. Then it is easier to see sales trend by category across the year. This solution is great because it's very readable and shows logical thinking step by step. Join orders with products. Calculate monthly sales. Calculate total per category. Compute percentages. Pivot. When we run this query, we can see in the apparel category, sales peak in spring and autumn. In footwear and clothing accessories, the highest sales occur in March, April, and again in autumn. This helps us understand seasonal buying patterns, which is valuable for inventory planning and marketing strategies. We can also simplify the query without using 3 CTs and collapse them into one query without losing clarity. We use a window function sum, over, partitioned by category, to get the total sales directly. No need for total sales CT. Monthly percentage calculation happens inline instead of in a separate step. The pivot step remains the same. That's required to get January to December as columns. Run the query and we get the same result. The simplified version is shorter and may run slightly faster, with fewer CTEs. And that's how we solve question 51. We use joins, aggregation, CTEs, and pivoting to uncover seasonal sales trends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.